Chris, we're in Pacific Junction, or PJ, in Iowa. How far are we from the Missouri River?
About 7 miles.
7 miles from the Missouri River, and yet nonetheless, during historic flooding, this entire community, for the first time in its existence, was flooded. Almost every building that we see was underwater. A lot of total losses. We're walking over with Frank and Dave right now to see a home that was built in 1908 that may be damaged beyond repair right now. Just met with Mayor Young and Representative Seek, the state representative here, and Representative Chris Hall, though they're Republicans and Democrats working together to see if they can come through for this community. And a lot of great volunteers who are here as well, who are trying to help out. And Chris, you might be able to show on the side of the road some of what we're seeing.
We're up to the eve of that thing right there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Through
the sign.
The post office is pretty well underwater.
It's just really impressive to me that people were able to get out in time.
Yeah, they gave us until 9:30. The railroad dike broke. That's all it took. Within about an hour, it was totally under. At 3 o'clock, the levee broke up here on Pony Creek. Water was coming in. We was watching. Me and the daughter was watching it come up to the railroad. I come back at 6:30, and it was starting to come up to this one right here, and then at 9:30 they sent us out of town.
And for a couple of days, you've been watching reports on this, right?
I was watching that Pony Creek levee over there. On the backside, it was low, but on Sunday morning, climbed up. And by noon, I knew it was in trouble.
Dave, you've lived here for 25 years?
Lived here for 25 years.
And this home was built in 1908?
Yep.
You said these were underwater for 5 weeks or
Yep.
5 weeks.
5 weeks almost.
Frank, you grew up here?
Yeah, I grew up here. We moved here when I was 6th grade, graduated high school. So when we got here, so there was a deck on top of our deck, and so the water came up just to the second floor. So we had to dig all of that out before we could get in. And the water swelled the door shut, so we had to take the door completely out. And yeah, we've been digging it out ever since.
And what are you doing now when you come into the house and you're working on it? Are you trying to salvage possessions? Are you?
Yeah.
You can see what we got. That's it.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, some of
That's all we've got.
the family keepsakes. A lot of it, most of it is ruined, and so but there's a second floor, and so there's dry stuff up there. But the house actually shifted, and so the stairs aren't safe.
So you can't even get up there.
We had to access it from the outside.
With the ladder.
Yeah, luckily there's a lot of lumber that washed into the yard, so I assembled a scaffold and climbed up through the outside. But yeah. Corn everywhere. It's amazing.
So you no longer live here, but you
Right.
came back
Sure.
to be helpful.
Right.
For those who are living here, what are you hearing about in terms of FEMA responsiveness on hotels
Yeah.
or alternative housing
Yeah.
after folks have lost their homes?
Well, I think it's tough because it's a rural area anyway. There's not a lot of places to go. There's not an abundance of hotels. A lot of folks had campers, so they kind of self-evacuated and found a spot. But those get small pretty quickly, and this is going to be a long go. So long term, I'm not sure what it's going to look like for a lot of people. And most of this town they didn't fare very well, and it's not an area that has a lot of means. And I was saying before, it's not. There's not a huge draw here for city like businesses or anything, and so it'll be interesting to see how the city recovers. I'm not sure what it'll look like in a couple of years.
We were just talking to the mayor, and he said, "Look, it's really tough." But he says, "I see everybody coming back and getting after it and cleaning up, and it seems like there's a commitment to see if there's a way to make this work."
Yeah.
Just talking to Representative Seek and Representative Hall, and having a conversation about armoring the levees so that if they top over, that's one thing, but we don't want them to bust
Right.
again, so that the water is able just to pour through, but looking for some kind of massive investment in the infrastructure around this area.
Yeah, and that's it. And so we have, you know, the development has gone up around us. So there's highways all the way around. There's interstate. There's levees everywhere. But PJ is an old town, and so it didn't go anywhere. And so when the water came in, that was one of the reasons why it was here for so long, is there's nowhere for it to go, and they get pumps fixed, and you know, it's a little bit disappointing that, and we understand, we totally understand, but you know, you see industry and commerce going, so the trains were able to rebuild, but then we weren't able to pump over the tracks, and you know, folks here just kind of digging out slowly. So
That's what it seems like. And
Yeah.
every part of the community that we've been to so far, we've seen
yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Are we able to
Yeah,
take a look
absolutely.
inside?
Yeah.
And
We,
just see
we
what
have
this-
like about a minute.
Okay,
We
good.
would've-
Thank you.
We would have cleaned if you were having company.
Yeah.
So yeah, so everything.
There's the floors.
Yeah, so we had so much weight. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but
Come
Yep.
take a look at this, Chris.
everything. So this was a bedroom, and the dressers went down as the mattress was floating. The mattress came down, and a king size mattress full of water. I'm not sure how much it actually weighed, but
Wow.
I had to cut it to pieces to get it out. But it crushed the floor.
Did the street sign wash in?
No.
That was
no.
something you had in
Yeah,
there.
and we were. It just landed there.
Yeah.
I was pushing stuff around earlier
Oh my
today.
gosh.
So, but yeah, and the floors are. All of these are kind of buckled and.
So you can look in there and see what.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah,
one.
that's-
There's
You
one.
can see everything
That's
that's
what it did.
washed up in here.
Yeah, and everything just floats to wherever it ends up, and then it drops. So it's something else.
And Dave, when you knew that you had to leave, what could you pack up with you? Like, what did you have time?
We got our clothes and some pictures and what we could stuff in our trucks in the camper. That was it.
Yeah. I mean, must have been all of a sudden we could still see dishes in the dishwasher that were ready to go.
We didn't grab no pots or pans or nothing, just our clothes and pictures and stuff that we needed. Rest of the stuff. You see what happened?
Thank you for showing us.
Hey, you can see how the house is shifting. See them steps? See how it's going this way now?
Yeah. Chris, I don't know if you can see this.
Moving
You're talking about these steps right here? Yeah.
It's starting to slow.
You can see the back of these stairs
yeah.
that are shifted over to the left a little bit like that. Yeah.
But
Yeah, it's.
yeah, and I know that you're on a tight schedule and everything, but
Yeah.
once everybody leaves here, so I grew up here and I left, and I went to school, but this area is, I mean, it's hard to even get internet here, and so I think I'm kind of dreading that kind of once the immediate response is over, you know, infrastructure will be rebuilt, the interstate will be rebuilt, and PJ will continue to be like this for years, and so. You know,
So something beyond just protecting it from the next
Yeah.
flood, but
yeah.
broadband internet,
Yes,
investing in the
absolutely.
viability
Yeah.
of
'Cause,
this
like,
community.
You know, rural areas are getting kind of forgotten, and you know the farms are going a different way than they were. It's not small family farms anymore, and so you know, but there's still people who live there. I mean, we walk down Main Street and there's not stores or businesses. So,
How long has it been since you lived in PJ?
so I left here in '98. So I joined the military and left, and I went to school after that. So
Yeah.
it's been about 20 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. And any chance down the road you see yourself coming back?
To be honest, probably not, because you know there's not professional opportunities for somebody that does what I do. You know, we were talking to Jason, who I went to high school with, and he's still here, friend's husband, and,
Yeah.
and you know they've made a life, but you know there's a lot of people who once they go to university, they're not going to come back to a tiny town.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
We gotta go. Okay.
yeah,
Thank you
appreciate it.
so much,
All right,
Frank.
thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey,
thank you.
Thank you.
you.
Very grateful. Appreciate it. Thank you all. Yeah.
Watch your step.
And have you been able to salvage much?
That's about it.
Yeah,
What I
it's-
see is
mostly if it's wood plot it, so the runoff has farm chemicals, it has animal waste, it has, and so
Well,
anything
there's
that can absorb water you don't want.
I'll That's what our furniture looks like right there.
Yeah,
Like
This
that
is your
wheelbarrow.
furniture?
Yeah, right there.
So it's antique furniture to just build a pieces.
Yeah, that's right here.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like.
But,
Yeah.
So, but anything that can be cleaned, we're trying. But in reality, most of it is gone. This is my this made up lumber that washed into our yard. That's what we got in the house. But there's a few things up there, but that's amazing.
And I'm sorry, the folks that were reading our
Okay.
now.
I'm sorry.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you all
Yep,
for allowing us
thank
to
you.
do this.
Again.
Yeah. Wish you the best.
Yep, see you
Yeah.
later.
Thank you.
Yep.
So Chris, we're at Facebook. We just got a chance to meet with Frank and Dave and see what happened to their house. We're now going to go to a farm. Many farmers who have land still underwater right now will be for a long time, and we want to be able to go see that firsthand. If we can, we'll broadcast from the farm that we're going to so that you can see it for yourself. So thanks.